I can kind of put this in here as wherever I want it, because if it sticks up here a little bit, it's not going to matter. From the factory they had it set in right up here so this was flush, but I'm going to lower it down a bit. That'll leave more metal in here. It's not sticking up to interfere with anything, and that way there won't be a chance of it pulling out again. So I'll just put a mark right about there. Now I can take my dial caliper and measure. So we'll just say 450. Draw a line, turn it over, draw a line. Now I can center punch my marks. Now I just need to get them drilled out. Normally I'd be using my drill press for this so I could get a nice square hole, but due to some stored furniture that we had to store over this past winter, my drill press is buried right now. So instead I'm going to use my 18-volt cordless Milwaukee. Remember to use your safety glasses. Okay. Those look pretty nice. Now all I need to do is make my notches in here so that this bracket will come to 90 degrees. I need to measure and take out 2 little notches. So what I need to know is how far down to notch it. That's about 90 degrees, so if I just put a mark right there, then I can scribe a line. Okay, and that is what I will have to notch out. To take these notches out, I'm pretty confident I can get them pretty quick with my Bosch jigsaw. People need to remember that I'm an experienced professional. Please don't try this at home. What I'll do is try and save a little bit of the line, that way I can file it into position if it needs to be. How many fingers? How many fingers? Just kidding, they're all there. Okay, enough goofing off. I got the notches cut, so now I'll just clean them up with a file a little bit. Good enough. And now I can go find the screws so I can try the bracket and see how well it fits. Okay, I'm looking for a 1/4 bolt and preferably a nylon lock nut. That's going to be too short. Probably, yep, just misses it. A little longer than that. Bolts. Bolts. Lo and behold, this looks perfect. Well, now I just need to find a nut. Where's that nut drawer now? Nuts. It's 1/4, but it's not locking. The lock nut. I need a lock nut. Come on. Ah, there we go. Cool. Okay. I'm going to put the bolt through this way. I think. Cool. Snug it up. Okay. Boy, that is just wonderful. And now I have plenty of metal up there to where this bolt should not pull out of there again. All I have to do is get it back on the motorhome now, and I'll be all set.